Dosing.
Well done. Thank you for that. A lot of people don't know that actually. We just
thank
use
God
that
I did.
Yeah, so iDos is your intelligent dosing. So what happens with iDos is you have the kind of slightly different drawer to what you'd normally have. And with this one, this is our second generation of iDos as well. So people may be familiar with the previous one. So the new one now has the little flaps that lift up to the front. But what happens with this now compared to the other one is you've got your liquid detergent on the right hand side, and then on the left hand side you've also got liquid detergent, but fabric softener, which you did in the previous one, but you can also use liquid detergent as well. So the benefits of that is you've got in your hand, you've got your bio. You could have a bio in this one here in your main detergent drawer, or you could have more liquid detergent, possibly a non-bio as well. So for people with delicate skin, because the whole idea behind iDos is you'll never overdose or underdose. The machine, because it's clever enough, intelligent dosing, to apply the exact amount of detergent every time you're using it. The machine will do that for you. That's the whole idea behind iDos.
So how many washes would I get out of that machine? So how many washes does the iDos compartment do?
Sure. Okay, so first of all, how much detergent does it take? I should have mentioned that. So it'll take, in the main drawer, it'll take just under a litre of liquid detergent. Fabric softener or additional detergent, it'll take half a litre, just under half a litre. You will get approximately 20 uses out of that. So every time you use it, as I mentioned earlier on, it dispenses the exact amount of detergent.
I'm assuming if I'm putting less detergent in the machine, I'm actually losing less water, is that right?
Absolutely. This is the problem. This is what we all do, and people don't consider that when they're washing. We're a little bit generous when it comes to adding detergent. So too much detergent, with all of the sensor technology, the sensors built into our machine, it will detect that extra foam. So it has to remove all of that foam, and by doing that, it's adding more water. That's the last thing we want to do. We want to be more sustainable. We want to be able to use limited resources, and this iDos will do exactly that. So the savings, I know I'm going on a rant now.
No,
my
tell me the savings. It's all about the money.
The savings then on your water is over 7,000 litres of water. So just to kind of put that into context for you, if you imagine, the luxury of having a bath savings on this machine will equate to up to 39 baths of water. That's a huge amount of water, given global warming, climate change. So all the benefits.
And am I right in saying I can use any detergent? I'm not tied to a brand. I can use what? So if I want to use whatever I want, I can.
You can, of course. Yeah. You're not limited to specific detergents. You can use any your favorite brand. It can go in the iDos.
So up to 20 washes.
Yes.
Yeah. In terms of, can it save me money because it's costing me an extra few euro today? How much is it saving me from doing what it's doing?
Again, we all know that when we're manually dispensing the detergent.
Well, I make soap castles, and I have a little lake of detergent in my washing machine. So I must be loaded because I'm washing it all down the drain, obviously.
You must be loaded because this stuff is expensive.
Yeah.
So if you're using your machine 3 times a week, you're going to save up to €70 on your liquid detergent.
That's a massive savings when you think about it.
It's
so if I had that machine, 8 years.
Yeah, exactly.
It's saving you a fortune. It's a no-brainer.
There's just there's so many benefits, and then you've also got the auto. If you look on your machine, you've got the auto soft. Literally, all you do is you don't even have to press any buttons. You just put the clothes into the washing machine. Essentially, how iDos works is detergent goes in. Then the clothes go into the washing machine then, and then again a sensor picks up the type of fabric. So your jacket or this, it detects the absorbency, and then it will also use this little sensor that senses how dirty the water is. Do a quick calculation, go, okay, I know exactly how much detergent goes in, and off it goes. That's it.
Because the assumption from the consumer, I know, is if we put more detergent in and we put more fabric conditioner we actually get better clean. But
Absolutely
that's completely not the way it works.
Not. No,
we're generally just washing that money down the drain.
Exactly. Our machines will only take in the water that's needed. So if you put in too much detergent based on the load size, you're going to get a foam build-up. The machine has to compensate and get rid of that detergent. And that's why sometimes your machine runs for longer as well.
Yeah.
So, that's not a good thing. So with the machine running longer, it means you're putting more water in, and that's the last thing we want to do. So all of these considerations that people don't think about when they're washing.
So again, it's back to that thing. If you show the customer the benefits to things, they're inclined to listen to you. And if they can see there's a financial benefit, the customer will generally invest in the product. Am I right?
Sure, absolutely, definitely.
So we again back to questions on things. So your question on this is about cost. So can iDos save me money?
How much can I save per annum on liquid detergent using the iDos?